Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, I haven't been on in a while posting any videos or watching any videos. Had a family member, loved one passed away, so I was away from the channel for a while, getting stuff done, take some time to, grief and all that. But guys, I'm back. Today I'm gonna have a simple recipe going. It's just a pizza I'm making today, and it's my daughter's birthday as well. So it's not a big celebration today. She just wanted pizza today. Maybe I celebrate on the weekend, but today I'm gonna be making her pizza that she requested. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And I just want to say I'm happy to be back. To be posting some more videos and watching you guys, and I just want to say thank you guys and appreciate all you guys support and love. I just hope you keep on sharing these videos. I want to get back on track. Share it with everyone. All right, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you're watching this channel, if you're new. All right, so we're just gonna jump right in and get this simple pizza recipe going. So okay guys, here I got actually 2 cups of flour. Sorry about that guys. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water here guys, and I got a teaspoon of salt, and I also have 2 1/4 of tablespoon of yeast. This is dry active yeast here guys, and my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I got 1 tablespoon of sugar here and a teaspoon of salt. So it's a pretty simple pizza recipe. All right, so we're just gonna get all our stuff right here. Put my water first inside this bowl here guys. I'm gonna get this off, and we're just gonna dump everything right inside. I'm gonna get the yeast right in there. All right, sugar, salt in there, everything going inside here, and my olive oil. Just use a little whisk and give that a turn. So normally you'd let this sit and wait for the yeast to bubble on top. You really don't have to do that with this one. Just gonna dump my flour right inside. We're just gonna start mixing. So as I said, that's 2 cups of flour. Right. Guess this pizza do going. Alright guys, that's done. We're gonna get it on the board right now. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna give this a little bit of roll here. I put some flour on my board here. There's nothing like homemade pizza guys. It's one of the best. All right. You won't even need to roll this or knead this too long. Just gonna get it right back in that bowl. Actually gonna put a little bit more olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle in here. Just grease this pan nicely. This bowl, the same mixing bowl I'm using. Just go a little bit more. And you can also use some olive oil on your board instead of flour, if you like. I mean, I made pizza dough in videos before, but today I just want to share this one with you guys. Alright, so some olive oil on this, and I'm going to sit it in this bowl and cover it with a towel. Should be fully rise in about half an hour. 45 minutes to half an hour, it should be ready. Okay guys, so we're back. Pizza dough, it's ready. Alright, just gonna put it on a board right here. So guys, you can use a rolling pin, or you can roll it wherever you like. Alright, just gonna form it back into a nice ball. Give it a little bit more knead. Some flour on the board. As I said, you can also use some oil as well. That works great. Whatever works for you guys on the board. All right. So guys, it's a little bit easier to roll out on the countertop because it's for the size pizza I'm making. It's bigger. I'm using one of these perforated pans right here. So it's best to do it right on here. As long as your countertop is nice and clean. Clean it with a nice cloth and dry it. You should be good. All right. So what I did, I just greased this pan a little bit with a little bit of olive oil. And ready to get it on this pan right here, all right? So just gonna spread your pizza dough right out on this pan. Give it a nice edge right here for the crust. A nice juicy crust. So these are the ways you can do your crust, guys. You can actually, the pizza dough, you can put cheese inside here and fold it if you want to go crazy. And the next thing you can actually do, you can pre-bake this in the oven for 5 minutes, right? At 450 or 425. Then you take it out and put your sauce right on it and all your toppings. So I'm just going to show you guys the toppings that I'm using on this pizza today. So right here I have some jerk chicken, and there's some tomatoes and red onions. And I also have some spinach here, guys. So what I did, I sauteed these spinach just for a little bit with a little bit of olive oil. Same thing with the tomatoes and the onions, and I'm using grape tomatoes to do that. And this is my jerk chicken right here, already cooked and shred up and ready to go on the pizza. I got my sauce. So we're gonna just start making this pizza. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this in the oven for 5 minutes, as I said. All right, I just want to show you guys that process, or you can just sauce it and bake it just like that. All right, but I'm gonna pre-bake the crust. So guys, I get this out the oven. Just gonna sauce it right now. Forget to show you guys, you gotta poke some holes inside the pizza dough with a fork or whatever you have before you pre-bake your dough. All right, what's the middle, just gonna get lots of air pockets. It's just gonna poof up in there on you. And it depends on the amount of sauce that you like in your pizza. So about an 8-ounce ladle of sauce should be good for this size pizza, guys. Beautiful. Right now we're gonna get some cheese on that baby right here. I got some cheese already shredded right here. Some nice mozzarella. I'm also gonna put a little bit of feta cheese on with the topping that I'm putting on there. Looking beautiful. So now I'm just gonna get the chicken on there first. The jerk chicken right on top here. Guys, pizzas are really easy to make and they're fun to make. I love making pizzas. Just get these spinach all over. Looking good. So you're getting all your veggies here. Looking beautiful. As I said, nothing like homemade pizza. Anything homemade is the best. Beautiful. Nice. So guys, I'm gonna get some feta cheese and I'm gonna put it on top as well. So it's time for the feta cheese. We got right here. Get these out of the way. So got some feta cheese right here, guys. Just place them all over this pizza. I just cut it nice and thin. It's gonna bring a lot of flavor to your pizza, guys. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of fresh basil oil all over and back into the oven to get it done. All right. So take a look at this beautiful sizzling pizza right here. It's all done. Just gonna get it out the oven right now. Nice color. Wow. This is beautiful. That's what we call a homemade pizza right here. Take a look at this beauty right here. Mouth watering. Yummy. Wow. And the feta cheese is nice and melted on top. We're just gonna cut this pizza and get right into it. I just want to say thanks for watching again, guys. Keep on liking, sharing the videos. As I said, I'm just trying to get back on track right now because I was away for 3 weeks. Not much videos up, so keep on sharing and liking the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.